I've been waiting for a long time. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to No Grandma Glamour. Hey, I'm a grandma. So yeah, I'm working out this Tarte palette today. It's this palette here. But these are the colors here. And we just doing makeup. That's all we're doing. Eyeshadow. We're doing actually a full face of makeup. So I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill brushes, which I love. Y'all need to go get these brushes. She have the face brush and the eye brush, and I got them both. So I'm gonna take this Respect. That's the name of it, and it's that dark color right here, like a dark brown. It's not matte. I wouldn't call it matte. Mirrors right here, and of course with dark colors, you know, you want to go real light. You want to hold the handle kind of far so you can use less pressure. Now before I go any further, of course I prime with my NYX base right here. I set with my Kat Von D, and this color in Kat Von D, that's the name of it, Thunderstruck. So let's go back to blending this color. Now just blend it out the edges. The next color will be Shake It Off. And what I'm doing with this color is stay towards the center and towards the back, if that makes sense. So I'm here at the center, and I'm just moving it back. So I'm going to take my Jeffree Star brush, and I'm going to go in Role Model. And I'm going to go to the center of my eye going towards the front. So now I'm going to go back and Respect right here. And I'm going to put that at the bottom of my lash line. I'm going to take this Curvature by Maybelline. It's in black. And I'm going to line my top of my lash line. I'm going to go into Respect and smudge out that liner. And the brushes I'm using, I had it for a minute, I believe, like nail art brushes. So now I'm going to prime my face. This is a Too Faced Hangover Primer. And as you see, I color corrected and everything already. It's like a lotion. For my foundation, I'm going to go into the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is the color 335. Classic Tan. I'm going to take this Equal Tool brush to apply my foundation. There goes Shaky and Jelly Bean.
And whoever that is in the stomach.
And whoever that is in the
like
stomach.
every time we get on your mama or stuff, you pregnant.
I'm gonna take this e.l.f. This is in beige concealer stick. I'm gonna take my Sonia sponge and blend it out.
I've been waiting for a long time.
Translucent Perfect Light Loose Powder by number 7. And I'm just gonna set the parts I highlighted.
Candles in the room, let's watch the fire dance. dancing, sip on this more wet. Let's make it more romantic. This night you won't regret.
Now I'm gonna take my Smashbox. This is the Studio Skin Shaping Foundation. I'm gonna use the contour side, and this is in 3.0. How does this look right here? This is a contour side, and this is the foundation side.
To scream, can you feel me? Baby, call me dad. As I'm freaking your body, ain't a damn thing changed.
I'm gonna take this Jaclyn Hill brush, the 3-3 brush, and I'm gonna contour my nose. And I'm bringing the contour just a little bit at the beginning of my eyebrows. I'm gonna bring that down.
What's my name? I know you feeling freaky. I got the remedy.
For a really snatched nose, I'm gonna take my number 7 powder again, and I'm gonna go on the side of my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my contour. This is the Eagle Tool and its Ultimate Pop Brush.
Say, babe, don't you know that? Don't you know that you? I want you to scream. Can you feel me? Baby, call me dad.
I'm gonna take that same number 7 powder, and I'm going to snatch my contour up, tighten it up more.
Can you feel me? Baby, call me dad. As I'm freaking your body, ain't a
Then I'm gonna take the Bomb Scuba Mascara in black and hit my bottom lashes. I'm gonna put a little on my upper lashes.
Let me run my fingers through your hair.
Okay, I'm gonna take my Real Technique brush and dust away all this powder.
I get down, I get down, I get down. I see you.
So now I'm gonna take this Beauty Treat. Yeah, now I'm gonna take this face contour palette by Beauty Treat, and I'm gonna go into these two at the bottom. It's like a reddish brown and a caramel brown. And this is the Jaclyn Hill brush, the JH02 brush, which I love to bronze with. So I'm gonna go back and forth in these colors. I'm gonna set my face with this Pearl Essence Coconut Rose Water that I always use. For blush, I'm going to the Marc Jacobs. This is the Airbrush 502 Lines and Last Night. This is how it looks, very pretty. The only brush I use for my blush is the Real Technique Blush Brush 400. And I'm bringing my blush up into my contour, creating a face lift. So now I'm going to this Marc Jacobs, and this is the 700 Spotlight Glow Stick. This is how it looks. It's a little messy. And it's like a creamy base. It's not powdery. So it's like a cream. Hopefully it don't move my makeup. Okay. I'm gonna warm it up with my fingers. See, that's pretty. See, with the highlight, without the highlight.
I know you feeling freaky. I got the remedy. Another freaky episode, and it's starring you and me. Since you took off them clothes, I damn near lost control. Girl, you just don't know.
I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my lashes now before I do lips. This is a LA Color Drama Lash Dreamy in 984. This is a glue that reaches for more for my lashes. This is by Kiss, and this is the Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. It's in black. I know you guys always see me reach for this, but lately I've been reaching for this. And yes, it's a dentist tool. I don't know because it's shorter. I don't know if it's shorter than this or more curved, but I definitely get my lashes on with this. Girlfriend, I ain't thinking of him. Why you marry him? Made him leave. He begged, stay with me. He wasn't man enough for me. Tony Braxton, baby. My kids playing music in the background, so y'all might not hear it, but I can hear it. Okay, let's get into some lipstick, shall we? This is the MAC. Don't see a name. The MAC 1599 brush. I don't know why these MAC pencils. It'll be like older MAC pencils. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm getting to the. It's like a burgundy. I want to say it's like a burgundy. Let's go into this matte lippy. This is called Brave. And you know, you guys, I got it from Marketplace, Rebecca Cruz. So, you guys, this is the finished makeup look, and I will be back with hair and rings and all that. So, this is the finished makeup look. I enjoyed this makeup tutorial today, and if you did, please hit that like button, hit that notification button, let you know when I upload videos, and most importantly, subscribe and share my videos. So yes, I use this makeup. All the makeup is one of my favorites. Tarte, Too Faced, what else I put on there? LA Girl lashes, real cheap lashes, MAC, and you know, I just collaboration with the makeup to see what works and what don't work. And this is one of my collaborations that I first used, so it's my first time using these collabs together. I try to do these makeup looks to mix up the products for you guys to see what work and what don't work. And so far I'm liking this look. It did work. Marc Jacobs. So you have your affordable with your more high-end makeup, and you see it works. And if you're interested, you see what I'm wearing. I do have my little price tag right here. This is from the Fabulous and 40 and Over Club. And this is the earrings, this is the necklace. You see, this is a fabulous piece. So again, check it out. It's the Fabulous and 40 and Over Club. So until we speak again, no grandma, glamour.